till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hello guys, what's up? This is your Techno. Today I will explain to the Volkai Indian made is the competitor of the DeepSeek AI. It's the rival. Create better content and less time to the future of AI generate tools has to arrive. The best generated tools Volkai is made in India is the you log in your email ID. Sign up free, then enter your first name, email ID, enter password, sign up. The registration is successfully done. It is the same like a ChatGPT and Gemini and Copilot and DeepSeek. It is given this left hand side same processing, Volkai App platform, chart history, new chart and home button, library button. This library button is a smart chart, vision creator, code body and content genie, text speech, voice studio and noise cutter also given. This smart chart, so maps also provided is this smart chart and vision creators and code body and content genie. Text to speech also there, voice studio also there, just like a Google Studio. This is voice studio equivalent, noise cutter. The download app, mobile app also there. This is first smart chart. Then copy anything to ask question. How to useful useful AI tools to students. Then observe this. How to useful our question is AI tool in student. The given this Volkai App platform. This you observe this. It is giving an very accurately. Don't underestimate in our country India. You observe this. This question is given the I only read in this headlines. The learn understanding, tutoring homework and Khan Academy power features and alpha and research notes and scholars and analytics switch to text softwares, illustrate mathematics and writing the skills development, grammar and writing assistant, Grammarly and Turnitin, idea generation, brainstorming, short AI, organized time management, calendar to task management, Google Calendar assistant, time tracking and tip for using AI tool efficiency, understand their limitations and use the ethically, think critically. This is the you can enable to the voice also. Allow this your microphone. This please tell me what is today. Just taking process. Please tell me what is today. Voice Studio, can click here. This Volkai App platform is given this much features, and the mobile app also there, new one. This you click this one. The Volkai is the mobile app also available. Please subscribe TechDot channel. Please like, please share, please comment. Thanking you once again. The already 50k downloads are covered this the span of 6 hours or 7 hours nearly.